Right, here we're going to show how to fit a glass to wall hinge on a shower door. Um, Basically, we're going to take it apart and fit it onto this cutout that's already done in the glass. Right, and so we undo these two screws, Allen screws. Actually, just to show you, this is that's on there. You can leave it on there, but I'm going to take it off just for the video, really. So we take that off, put that on something soft. Right, inside here, you've got these gaskets. Now these gaskets, they supply 4, but you only need 2 for 10mm glass. Basically, they go either side of the glass, and you just make sure that this is on, because this is also protection to stop the glass to metal contact in the cutout that goes there. So we'll put on the gasket there, and we fit it into the cutout, and they're stuck together. And we put the second one on, and then we'll put the top on, like so. And we'll just right, so we've got that, and we've got it half tight, and then basically make sure your gaskets are all nice and neat and they can't be seen poking out, and then you basically tighten them up a bit each one, and then you do it quite tight, as tight as you can really with this key, and then what you would do is you would leave it for an hour or so, just for it to settle, the gaskets to settle, and then you go back and you'll tighten it again. Now also, just to show you, these two holes here, you can put a Allen key into there, and you can loosen the Allen keys, and this allows you to move the hinge on the on this pivot here. So you can move this about, which moves the position of the door if your door doesn't quite line up. Yeah, I've just taken the cover plate off again just to show you. There's those two Allen keys there. There's a pivot that goes through here, and basically if you loosen that, you can move that on the pivot, which allows you to fine tune the position of the door.